I'm Dr. Teresa Volner. I've been in chiropractic and natural medicine over 20 years now. Is there a mind-body connection when you get a chiropractic adjustment? The thought of just physically moving your body and how it affects your brain is so incredible. The chemical releases after a chiropractic adjustment can have a profound effect on a person's mental and emotional state. The increased endorphin and oxytocin levels promote relaxation and reduce stress. For some patients, the release of physical tension can also manifest in emotional release. This can be a positive emotional release, including the feeling of well being and energy and peace.